Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact SoFi customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browsers. In the top there's this address bar, type down sofi.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, scroll all the way to the bottom here. Scroll a bit down until you find these option here. And over here from the company here you need to select this contact us. So over here you can also chat with a virtual assistant by selecting this. So over here scroll a bit down and over here you'll get this number. And for general customer support, representatives are available from Monday through Thursday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. PT and Friday through Sunday from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. PT. And if you need help with your personal loans, you need to scroll a bit down, mortgage loans, student loans here. You can simply get all of this number over here. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. That is how you can contact SoFi customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.